Hello everyone. Today we are going to see radar. The term radar is the acronym for radio detection and ranging. It is basically a scientific object detection system that uses radio waves or microwaves to detect space objects, ballistic missiles, aircrafts, etc. This works by transmitting signals into space and monitoring the reflected image from the target. It was earlier used for military purpose. Radar was a secretly developed system during World War II. The invention of radar was possible only with the discovery of radio waves. The circuit of radar system is little bit complicated, but the basic principle is very simple. It consists of three main parts. It consists of a transmitter, a receiver, and an indicator. The transmitter sends the high frequency radio waves with the help of antenna. Now, when a target crosses the signal, what happens? The signal is reflected by the target. The reflected signal is called as echo. The reflected signal is received by the receiver, which is kept at the radar station. The received signal is amplified and it is sent to the indicating device where the distance, the direction and the speed of the target material can be found out. The distance and the velocity of the target can be calculated with the help of Doppler measurements. Modern radar system gain more information from the echo received from the target. But the basic measurements, that is the distance and the velocity, are calculated with the help of Doppler measurements, and so they play a most important role in the radar system. Moving on to the application of radar. Here in the day-to-day life we see radars in traffic police checking the speed of vehicle. There the traffic inspector used the radars and checked the speed of the vehicle. It is also used in automotive engineering. Anti-collision system is used in all vehicles nowadays. It uses ultra-wideband radar and Doppler radar, a combination of these two, and this system is attached to our vehicle, in the side of the vehicle or in the bumper. So any obstacle or the collision with the vehicle can be detected previously, and also it is used for parking system. It finds application in defense system too. Earlier it was used in military purpose, and so we can very well know that it is used to detect the target missiles, target enemies in warfield. Then we can see its application in aviation system. Normally aircrafts are equipped with radar to find the obstacle in the way they are moving and to find the altitude correctly, and also the weather information. We can get the weather information using the radar. It also finds application in medical technology. In medical technology, it has two application. It is used in two systems, that is one in monitoring and another in diagnosing system. For monitoring, we know that for the heartbeat or for breathing, there is a technology, and the machine is used in any corner of the room, and if anything goes wrong, it will be giving an alarm, and it can be monitored. And for diagnosing, it is used in X-rays, and we can detect the diagnose the disease. Thus, radar is a very useful invention in this century. Like other discoveries, it has many important applications in our daily life. Thank you.